Rebound will be on Valencia. To Alagano. Alagano is fouled. Foul will be on number 12, Acuna. First personal foul. Third team foul on Remayan Friends. Alagano needs his first free throw. Missing both the Beatles. What a rebound by Valencia, putting it back. Basket for two by Valencia. Extending the lead to 12. 30-18 in favor of Anonymous. Without green one. Comia. Defended by Jumble. Comia drives. Draws a foul. Foul will be a number 14. That will be a first personal foul. Second team foul on Anonymous. Aquino missed that. Cleared up. The ball will be stable. Aquino fires that ball, miss. Rebound by number 21, Valencia. To number 30. Lula back to Valencia. Valencia. Lula drives. Probably ready to record a Lula. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. That is a third quarter. 30-18 in favor of Anonymous. About green one. Solis missing that one again. What a rebound by Alagano. And Alagano is fouled. Fouled in number 22. Solis. Time out. Please, Anonymous. This time is nothing but a good play. Nothing to score. Counter. Score. Nice DC. 352 minutes of center. Alagano's left alone. Taking the 3 miss. The ball was knocked out of bounds by Valencia. Solis is fouled. Foul will be number 20 down Valencia. Substitution. Valencia getting the first personal foul. Third team foul. Team Anonymous. Sub. Solis defended by number 4. What a good defense, number 4. It's Aquino. Solis with a lefty miss. Rebound again. Never putting back miss na one again. Rebound again by Valencia. Jumble. Aquino. Alagano is blocked underneath the basket. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Alagano taking the three. Missing that one again. Fresh for green. And team guard green. Number 12 for Jumble. 10 seconds. Jumble taking his own three. Missed the one on rebound will be all his team. Number 12. Neva is left alone. Basket for two. Coming down the lead to 10. 30-20. 1 minute and 35 seconds. What a good defense by Team Remayan Friends. A counter steal by Jumble.
close. Next game for tonight, Team Lycans versus Team Dubai Mixers.
Never, shoot up one. 30 seconds.
Mala Ateneo versus Lasal pala to eh.
Pagkamiya is fouled. Foul number 16. Alvana batting your first number foul. Pagkamiya, the next his first free throw. For watching this basketball event. That's the end of the third quarter. 22-22 in favor of Team Anonymous. Kyle, paki-shoutout na yung hashtag.
Shout out ang hashtag. Once again, we would like to remind everyone to post their photos and videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram with the official hashtag of #albarsha_community_forum with a chance to win prizes such as iPhones, iPads, laptops, tablets, cars, all courtesy of Dubai Police.
Be minded. Using some time. Number 13 back to the Mahilig.
Once again, we would like to thank Dubai Police and Positive Spirit Council for a fun event and exciting games such as this. Make sure to post your photos, videos on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram with the official #albarsha_community_forum, #Dubai Police, and #Positive Spirit Council.
Before the act of shooting foul, the number 13. First personal foul.
Pinalo ni Ate Clang to the zone 1, si Matt sa 3.
Neva forcing his way through this. Bingo for that rebound. Bingo! Basket! Plaza
Score 4. Ano pang score natin? Official score is 1-all.
Number 14, Tama, that is the first personal foul.
Ate Bianca, sinervisan outside. Bawi lang.
Neva for that board.
By Dini Ali.
Aquino.
Tigil ni Ate Dini classes kay Ate Trisha. Double violation.
Again, 12-point ball game in favor of dark green. Bingo to number 7, Reyes.
Outside.
By Reyes. Old back goal.
Go Trisha. Ang galing sa serve. Positive spirit tayo dito. Ay, ang galing mag-serve. Tinayuan pa lang Trisha, oh. Ay, grabe, nakakatakot. Grabe si Ate Danica. No good. Wala daw pong touch si Ate Danica. Kahit ako, kita ko yun. Ang ganda ng leg si Ate Danica.
Sino ano mo? Aquino.
Number 12. For the serve. For the drop. Andun si Ate Bianca. Sino ni Ate Ali kay Ate Danica. Check ball. Binalit ni Ate. No. Okay lang daw, okay lang, Ate Desti. Go lang.
Seven
For the
minutes.
love, ang lidero.
Ayan, that is the first time. Bingo, guarded by Plaza. Bingo, to Bingo, to Reyes. Reyes again! Reyes again, basket for four. That is all the back goal. It's still good.
Nice one.
Extending the lead to 16, 38-22. What are you, Magdunia? And he got fouled. The foul will be on number 22. Reyes, that is after the worst hit. Kumia connects his first free throw. Lentok, that is your first personal foul. Second team foul on Team Ananias. Kumia completes his charity goal. Team 80 now hunting red leather. The 6 minutes and 5 seconds left in this ballgame. 14-point lead. Bingo. What a floater by Bingo, but missed. Foul rebound by Ayan, and the ball was tapped out of bounds by number 22. Lentok. Kumia. Plaza. Plaza pitching it out for Solis. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Neva. What a nice defense by number 32. Lentok. Tumain. Come on. Tumain. Again, shout out to our officials, Mr. Ian, Mr. Julius, and Mr. Jimson, and our official photographer, Mr. Matthew. Plaza! From the rainbow country, Niega cutting it back, basket for two, cutting down the lead to 12. 48-26, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. What a good defense. Substitution. Ayan in Aquino. Again to all the players. Stop time will start 3 minutes. Stop time will start at 3 minutes. Kumia. Losing the ball, picking it back to Plaza. Plaza opens, boost, still play up and gets out. Foul number 13. Bicol actually was second personal foul. Third team foul, Team Anonymous. Plaza connects. The first free throw, and just up after the basket. Miss a charity. Leave her. Aquino missing the ball. What a good rebound by Neva. Neva is blocked by the Plaza. Taking foul. Substitution. Plaza connects his second throw, cutting down the lead to 10, 38-28, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. What a good defense by Plaza. But he passes to the long man, Termanes, speeding up. This is a foot race now. Termanes taking 3 miss. Rebound will be on Aquino, and the ball was tapped out of bounds by number 24. Substitution. Plaza. Niega. Double move to Kumia. Kumia to Aquino. Aquino is left alone. The shot. Aquino for that rebound. Loses that ball. Number 12, Jodo picking it up. What a good stop by Solis. Solis to Plaza. Anonymous, that is your last timeout. Guys, all the players, please sit behind the benches. Behind the benches, all the players, behind your benches. Behind your benches, all the players, behind your benches. Sa likod po ng upuan, ulitin ko, bibigyan kayo ng warning. Sa mga hindi nakakaintindi, behind your benches po, sa likod po ng upuan. Wala talaga nakakaintindi. Thank you. Plaza now. Plaza stays with the Pumas. Basketball player, 8-point Golden. Running for the goal number 5-5, Neva. Number 11, Pinto. Covered by Aquino. The number 24, Celerio. Celerio now. 10 on the shot clock. A missed shot by number 7. Jeffrey missing the ball again. Rebound will be on Plaza. This is an 8-point Golden, 48-40. Plaza shows the ball out of bounds. Substitution. Alright, it's a top ball. Same ball. Again, to all the players behind your benches. Last warning to all the players behind your benches. Aquino, 10 on the shot clock. 5. Plaza stays again. But he tries the ball out of bounds. And a couple substitution. Time out. The team remain friends. 2 seconds on the shot clock. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Time out. Team remain friends. Seconds on the shot clock. Back to the mountain. 2 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 7 seconds left in this ball game. 8-point lead in favor of Anonymous. Plaza. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Foul will be on number 12, Kumia. Second personal foul. 14 foul, Royal Friends. Number 24. Number 11, William reverse. Pinko. 1 minute and 50. Solis to Plaza. Back to Solis. Solis shooting 3. Bang! 40-33, a minute and 41 seconds left in this ball game. Di Mailig now, Di Mailig! What a good defense by Damay. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 33 seconds left in the ball game. Di Mailig!
Ate Bianca, off service lang. And nakaputin yung rubber band. Score is 12-11 in favor of Team Lycans. Pigeon Ticom Captain Ball to the table po. Thank you. Lycans are ruled. Grabe yun. Natatawa na sa akin si Ate Ali. Ate Bianca on the service ka. Lakas, what an ace from Ate Bianca from Lycans.
Okay, so it by 1 free throw plus ball possession. Ang team Anonymous, 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Score is now 14-11 in favor of Team Lycans. Bring out with number 16. Ate Ali sets it to 3 shot, 3 shot.
10 seconds on the clock.
3 shot. Bawi daw, bawi, 3 shot. Hindi mo daw.
Violation.
Kinuha ni Ate Locke, si Net ni Ate Clark kay Ate Ali. Ate Ali, grabe yun. Outside. Sarap ba ka nun, Ate Ali? I see what you're doing.
Sorry, Timailig. Number 7. What a good steal by Plaza.
Ate Love again receive ang bola. Score is now 14 all. Nakahabol po ang team Dubai Mixers. Strong service again by Ate Sinet. Ate Ali Pinalo. No good.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Score is now 15-14.
Sailors off the glass again. Rebound by Timailig and Timailig is fouled.
Strong service.
Cornea.
Go Ate Ali. Taya.
Cornea is their third personal foul.
Score is now 16-14 in favor of team Dubai Mixers. Kalma lang daw, kalma lang. 16 si Net sa 38. Andun si Ate for the dig. Ate Bianca gives the ball back. 16 gets the ball to number 6 for the drop ball over receive. Kaso, miscommunication right there. Point for Team Lycans.
It was a tough ball and the ball will be awarded to the Milan Feds. 4-point margin. You have 2 timeouts. Timeout. Team Milan Feds.
Receive na lang. Ate Nak.
Timeout. 49 seconds.
Sinet ni Ate South Rest.
Team Anonymous sa back 1. Again, thank you to the Maccabees Athletes here from team. Also, Josh Forbes and to our officials from BP. Cornea Caneda. Technical violation was called on Neva. 42 seconds on the game clock.
Score is now 18-16. The receive ni Ate Love. Binalik ni Ate. Nakukulukul Ate. Ate 16 gives the ball back. Ate Love was right there. Binalik ni Ate. Ate Ali with the adjust. Ganda nun. Ate again. Ate Ali gets the ball to the open. He spikes it to zone 1. Yan. For the open ulit. Okay. Isa pa daw, isa pa. Good ball.
7 seconds on the clock. Alagano to place his hand. The team of the Milan Feds. That is the last time of the ball. 37 seconds left on the game clock. Both teams all timeouts. Seconds on the clock. 13 seconds on the clock. 37 seconds. left on the game clock. A 6-point lead in favor of Dark Green. Aquino, Plaza, Comia, missing the ball, rebound by Nieva. Nieva back to Comia. Down on the block. Comia spinning through, missed the block, rebound with Pinto. And Pinto is fouled. Shoot. 2 free throws. Foul of Nieva. Second personal foul. 2 crucial free throws will be given to Pinto. Pinto connects the point. That will be the icing on the cake. Nieva with that power rebound. What a good steal by Team Anonymous. So Pinto secures that one. Fermanes stopping, setting that one. It is a 9-point ball game. 9 seconds on the game clock. Take care of it, guys. 5 seconds. Coming is, and that's the end. Congratulations to Team Anonymous.
Survey 19.
Both teams see
Not over. For our next game, Dubai Police and TCOM Squad. Please get your teams ready.
Best player of the game, number 11, Pinto.
Our score is 21-20 in favor of Dubai Mixers.
Again, to all the guys watching, thank you for supporting this kind of event.
Service error.
And this is brought to you by Dubai Police, Fantastic Spirit, Pinto, and Alvin.
This game is brought to you by Dubai Police and Positive Spirit Council. Service error from Lycans. Score is 22-21. Score 24-21. Timeout called by Lycans. For our next game, Dubai Police versus TCOM Squad. Thank you so much to Dubai Police and Positive Spirit Council for organizing this event. Back to the ball game. 22 serving 24. Score ended by service error. 25-22. And our captain goals for both teams, please go to our table. For our player of the game, number 6, Nesty. Congratulations, Team Dubai Mixers. Our next game will be Dubai Police and Ticom Squad.